What is up, bike lovers and earth moving enthusiasts? We are here at the start of the 4th video now, I think it is. Just a couple days before the event, we're sprinting towards the event. Lots of shapes are done already, and we got a bunch more earth moving to be done. And we have a machine sponsor, it's Huppenkottenbaumaschinen, Baumaschinen, which I love to hire from them, and they're supporting us with extra epic machines. They will arrive in 1.5 hours, and then yeah, we got all the manpower here. We got Alessio, we got Durant, we got LT over there. So weather is looking nice, and yeah, we're gonna get some nice stuff done today. So here we stand in front of the infamous roundish shaped feature we have here on course, and we're gonna make it bigger. And in order to get it bigger, we bump it up a bit, you know, we fill the pump, it swells up a bit, and I gotta do this in reps. I gotta do many reps of compacting and of sliding it down. Lots of reps. We do everything in reps here. Good morning, party people, like LT would say. It's Saturday now before the event. The event starts on Monday. I feel like today we can hammer out 95% of the course actually should be done. So it's another beautiful day in Austria, and we're shaping away.
The plan is, well, actually the story is the Russos want to hit this jump on the jump bikes, and it's a bit harsh to hit it on the drop bike version. So we're going to sink some beams in and then build like a little roll in to connect the drop to the landing, so you can just pump down and then get full speed on the jump bikes. Then some insane tricks hopefully will be coming out.
Putting in some support beams so we can get the diagonals in, and then hopefully it shouldn't take too long until we can start building the actual roll-in for maximum speed and some hardtail action on this massive booter here. So I'm buzzing.
So we're currently building the roll-in, but it's a bit wobbly still. So now currently Daniel's cutting some beams up for the support beams in the back. So it's braced this way, so no more wobbling back and forth. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. I'm standing on the big drop looking down at the middle drop. We just finished building the roll-in for the big lip. It's looking pretty good, and there might be some sneaky little options here, crisscross, but we'll see that later on in the week when all the riders are here.
It has so much room, so much potential still, and well, who doesn't like a roundish MTB feature? As you can see, for the first time in our videos, I'm actually in riding gear, and I can tell you one thing, the stroke is really so sick. So we have a couple new additions, and we have made some things bigger. Let's be honest, it's called the boob, and we made it bigger, and this thing's bigger too. That's the drop landing behind me, and guess what? It's bigger too. So with this one, we actually decided to make it smaller. And that thing is gonna go bigger too, of course. What else? So this is the infamous hip that everybody loves, and we just tested it. Well, gotta make it steeper, since there's only one way really. Now I'm standing in front of the long and low, which isn't a low one anymore because we made it steeper. Besides all our upgrades, we have also added to the track a roll-in tower, which you can see behind me. We just thought, like, maybe you don't want to hit like an 8 to 10 meter drop every single run that you do in the big air, and we also want to provide for slopestyle bike riders that they can actually session the big air, which is like really sick. Besides that, we've added a berm here to shoot you back up to roll-in tower, a step up back there, and that step up is actually going to lead you into the pickup spot of our tractor uplifts. Because at the end we are in Austria. Well, we wouldn't be in Austria if we wouldn't have a tractor as an uplift. And who is it better to team up with than Easy Loop? Check out that. We got the Easy Loop system for uplifts, so riders will have fresh legs for big air. Well, that's the end of our build series video from the Bike at Battle 2025. And I hope you guys enjoyed our videos, and I don't know what to say since I'm not a YouTuber, but we will have more, and check out all the riding that's coming up from tomorrow.